Hi there. So now let's connect this AI agent with our UI, means our web app, and we can make web app within minutes using Lovable. So first of all, we will need to delete this AI agent, AI chat trigger, and instead of AI chat trigger, we will need to use Webhook as a trigger, so that we can trigger the request from front end. And in Webhook trigger, what you will need to do, you will just need to add it as a post, and in respond you will using a respond to Webhook node. Now why this? Because once it provide the input to the AI agent and it format the response, then what we will do, we will use respond to Webhook to show that response back to the UI using this Webhook respond. Okay, in respond Webhook, we just don't need to do anything. We'll just need to click on all incoming items. Okay, and also you can go with first incoming item, or you can just go with all incoming items, and you don't need to do anything else. Okay, and you will need to make it active. Make sure to make it you will need to make it active. And now come over here and just copy this post URL, and so you will come over here in Lovable, and in Lovable what you can just say, hey create a minimal web app without auths and it should be connected with this webhook endpoint, post endpoint, so that I can test my n8n workflow on UI by giving natural commands. Okay, and this is the, and you can also see below, which is based on Firecrawl API and Anthropic model AI agent. Okay, and let's take a screenshot of this and just give this a look. Okay, now let's see. Now it is going to create a minimal web app for us, and it will connect that with our n8n workflow, and it is going to create. So it will take a few minutes. So Lovable is an amazing tool, and using Lovable you can create an amazing web applications and websites within minutes. It gives free credits on daily basis, and you will need to adjust it. Also you can upgrade your plan, and I am also using free plan, and and let's see. Is done, and let's wait. Okay, so going to preview us. Okay, so now let's open this in a tab and test over here. n8n workflow chat. Hi. Let's just say it hi, and let's see it is working or not. So it is not working. It shows us error. Let's see what error it is going to show us. Okay, means it is not working. Failed to send post. Okay, I guess we should give this production URL. I given it a wrong URL. And I guess wrong URL, please use this URL. Okay. Yeah, so make sure when creating web using web app using Lovable, and you want to connect your workflow with the Lovable app, so make sure to provide it a production URL instead of test URL. So I did this mistake, therefore it was not working, but now it should work. Yeah, it is refactoring. Okay, the URL has been updated. Yeah, so I was doing one mistake there. So in AI agent, what you will need to, when you are going to connect a webhook, so instead of connected chat trigger with chat trigger node, when you are going to connect webhook, then you will need to connect a click on define below, and instead of fixed, you will navigate to the expression, and you will need to give this json.body. This will be the input body. So I am also going to keep this command in description so that you can also copy and paste it, and just you will need to save it. Everything is fine and our web was fine, but we were doing one mistake here. So now we can test it. Hey, hi, let's see now how it is going to work. So now it will execute. Yeah, you can see how I can access web scraping tool that can help me gather information from a website. Means it is working. So means, and we can also see current trigger. So yeah, it triggered successfully. Previously there was error, but now in execution you can see it is working perfectly. This tool was not triggered scraping because we did not ask any question related to scraping. But now let's ask one question. Hey, tell me about datalink.com. Yeah, now it is processing our request, but in here we will be able to see the current run, and yeah, this is the current run. You will be able to see this in executions. Okay, this is our editor and this is our execution, where we can see the executions. Means the working of our workflow in backend. So it is done successfully, but let's see first execution, and then we can navigate to the UI and see the response. So yeah, and you will be able to see now there is a green tick, means it has used this tool as well, scraping tool, and it has then sent the response to the respond webhook node, and now we are able to see this information. This is right now the information is in raw format, but you can just give a prompt to the Lovable to make this in a clean way, and you will be able to get this information in a clean way. So you see, you saw that we made this overall thing within maybe under 25 minutes or 20 minutes, and this is the amazing thing of AI. You can just create your workflows, and you can connect these workflows with your UI, and even you can make your UI, you can develop your UI within minutes, and you can connect that UI with backend as an n8n workflow. So in future we will do more amazing projects. Keep supporting me, keep subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that I can make more amazing videos for you. And if you want me to create a complete course about Lovable and n8n, means whole software engineering product, then please comment below or subscribe my channel, then I will create a complete course for you. Thank you.